In this video, I'm going to explain the change request signing process in SuperConstruct. Once the approver approves the change request, the next step is to sign the change order documents. First, the creator of the change request needs to sign the document. The creator will be notified through email, as well as via an in-app pending task and notification. Let's click on the pending task to navigate to the change request. On this screen, the user will see a sign button. Click on the sign button to open the signing pop-up and wait for it to load. In this pop-up, the user needs to confirm their initials. After confirming, enable the acceptance checkbox. Now review the change order document carefully. Once everything looks good, proceed to sign the document. Add your signature at the bottom of the document and place your initials in the designated positions. Wait until the signature process is successfully completed. Once the creator signs the document, it is then sent to the approver for signing. Now, logging in as the approver or owner, navigate to the change request by going to the company, then the project, and selecting Change Request from the left side navigation bar. The approver will also be notified through email, pending tasks, and in-app notifications, and can access the change request using any of these options. Similarly, the approver will see the Sign button in the change request. Click on it to proceed with signing and wait for the pop-up to load. The approver then confirms their initials, enables the acceptance checkbox, and reviews the document. After reviewing, if everything looks good, the approver adds their signature at the bottom and places their initials in the required positions. Wait until the signature process is completed. Once both the creator and the approver have signed, the change request process is completed. All the approved changes will now be merged into the SOV. You can verify this by navigating to the SOV module from the left side navigation bar and opening the SOV on which the change request was created. Here, you will be able to see all the updated values reflected, including the cost impact and revised cost for the line items that were modified through the change request.